Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, I want to introduce myself. My name is Evita. I am a wife and a mother of 3 and we live in South Carolina. I am sharing my budget with you guys, real numbers, a real budget, simply because I want to be held accountable. If I look back at my videos and I see where I messed up, where I can improve or whatever. But I am budgeting so hard right now because my son was in the ICU back in August and he has a ton of medical bills that need to be paid off. So I am just going to go ahead and budget like for those. But let's go ahead into November's budget. This is just going to be a check-in. So I started doing Instacart, you guys, and I'm gonna write in a blue ink pen. I have my whiteout on deck just in case. I typically write in pencil because I erase a lot, but whatever, we have whiteout. But so for my first paycheck, I see it's pending in my account right now, so it's gonna be $1,137. I don't put the cents simply because, you know, no need to do that. YouTube, I haven't received anything. eBay, I haven't sold anything. Poshmark, I haven't sold anything. And I apologize now. I don't know what's in South Carolina's air, but I have been sneezing and I don't know what's going on. But I feel like I sound funny too. So if I sound funny, I do apologize. Poshmark, so Instacart. Now, I didn't budget anything because I literally just started doing it this past weekend. But I made $175. I'm writing so far on the left because Joseph is my son. We are going to try to do it every Friday, Saturday, Sunday. He does it with me and I give him 30% simply because I have to pay the taxes and I have to pay gas. So he's happy with that. So from this one, he made $52. I made, I think, $88 once I deducted my taxes and also deducted for gas. I think I need to call for this one. I think I've made 100. Next, electric bill, I'm not paying this month. Saya's phone is $30. So I'm just gonna fill in the things that I've already paid. Care Now, I paid $35. Las Vegas Peds, I paid $147. Capital One, so far I've paid, I have to look, give me a second. All right, so Capital One, so far I've paid $297. And I'm writing it so far on the left because I know I'm gonna do a little more. I'm probably expand this one for next month. Access One, I haven't paid $347 yet. I do believe I paid. Okay, so I zoomed in just a little more for you guys. Hopefully you can see it. So Access One, I've paid $125 so far. Gap Visa, I haven't paid anything because it's not due. Student loans, I didn't do anything. UMC, we're still waiting to hear from them, and I did already pay on my Carolina P. Sinking funds, so let me look at my bank account and I will be able to know exactly what I have deposited so far. So being that I get paid tomorrow, I haven't done any deposits just yet. For November, I get my first paycheck November 12th. So I haven't paid, or I haven't deposited anything into these bank sinking funds. Expense tracker. So I wanted to fill this out on camera, but I feel like it's going to take a long time. I'm going to fill out a couple of them and then I am going to fill them in off camera and then come back on, because I feel like it's going to take forever simply because today is the 11th and I did have like a lot. So I am going to go ahead and do this now. Okay, so this is what I have so far for the month of November. Of course, I did have to use my whiteout. I don't like writing with this. I like writing with pencils, but I want you guys to be able to see it. So this is what we have so far. I don't put the cents. I just round up or round down. I'm not doing all that. But that is where my money went or that's where my money has gone so far. Next, I have my sinking funds. I just did my video for stuffing my envelopes for this month. If you guys are interested, I will go ahead and leave it up above, right up in here. But, oh wait, is it? Yeah, it's over there. So I just stuffed those and I wrote them on the left because I have started doing Instacart like I said, and if I make any extra cash, I may stuff a little bit more in these envelopes or in my regular envelopes. But you guys, that is how my budget is going so far. I am super excited about doing Instacart, and yeah, so hopefully I make some good money from, or not good money, but you know, enough money from that. I did watch some videos on YouTube, and it's this one guy, he does videos and he does Instacart, so he made like $500 in one day. I was like, oh, I didn't even make that in a weekend. But then again, I am new, and he was telling me, or telling us, like telling his audience, how we need to basically be picky and don't pick no small batches, and you have to go drive far away, which makes sense because this weekend I was just like, oh, they go one, let me pick it. So I'm gonna be a little more picky of when I choose batches. But you guys, that is November's budget check-in. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.